Hi, this is 2016 Toyota Sienna. I'm gonna replace driver's side door check hinge. The hinge is broke. Let me show you. See, when you open the door supposed to hold in one place, broke already. See this right here. So I'm gonna replace that. To replace that, I have to go inside right here. So I'm gonna open this door panel. To take the door panel off, first I need to take the switch. You just pry with something like this. It will come out easily. And just push the tab and unlock the switch. Push down lock. Take the cover out. This one. Cover out the screw right here. Take the screw out. I need to take this off. Just put something in here. There's a one push clip. There we go. Then I do need to take this screw off right here. Okay, this when you open the switch, there's a screw right here. It's this one. Take the screw. Now I'm gonna go under. Just grab from here, or you can put something in here. Just pry it. But see, this whole thing came out. See this came out. Slide off. Just push the tab. Came out. Just push it and pull it. Now I can get access from here. This thing is broke. So there's a two 10mm right here, one right there. I need to take two 10mm off and one 10mm in here, right here. So I took this off right here. After that, just simply put the new one in and tie two bolts and this one. So this one you have to close a little bit the door like this. See this when I'm closing a door, matching to the hole. After that, if you have a grease, just put a little bit of grease in here, right here. See, this door is sliding on that. See, like this. So if you have a little bit of grease, it'll be easy. Otherwise, sometimes it's make clicking noise. Then everything, put it back, door panel and everything. Don't forget this connector for the switch, and make sure you put it back this properly. See this, there's a silicone right here. This to prevent the water, so water cannot go inside. That's why they put the seal in here. Put the door handle in the groove like this. See, so when you put it back, it's very simple. Just slide in the groove. See, there's a groove right here, right here, right there. This thing is go. See, this thing is go in here. Just slide it in. So try to put the hand in here. There's a push clip right here. There's a one push clip right here. You see there's a hole and the push clip right here. This one's supposed to go match in here. You just match one hole, then rest of it will be this. Okay, just match it up one. She put in this corner in here like this and just slide it in inside the groove. This fit perfectly. And then just there's a push clip, just push it. So make sure it sit properly in here everywhere, then you can match all these hole. See, there's another hole. So I'm gonna put it back, this screw, that screw, this one, and don't forget to put the connection for the switch. I'm gonna put the switch back, just push it in, and one screw here. That's all guys, thank you for watching.